G'day, I'm Beechy from Drifta. Just a little demo video today on one of our dual cab systems that we do. So this is more of a sort of touring package. So if you're on the move every day, what we've got in the back of this vehicle here is we've got a slide out kitchen here and a storage drawer and the Drifta table. So I'll start with the kitchen because that's the main feature of this system that I sort of want to show you. So the kitchen's built into the back of the system here, and we've got the kitchen sliding out on some stainless steel runners. So with our drawers, we always use like a Teflon slide system. But for a pull-out kitchen like this, we're using like a stainless steel runner because it just makes the kitchen much easier to set up. So you just release the one tab and then the kitchen pulls out as easy as that, okay? So there's no legs on the kitchen, it's fully self-supporting. And then it's got this bench here. So the bench folds out, and then there's just the one leg which unclips from the back of the unit and then clips in here to support this bench. Okay, so it's just the one leg there, as you can see, which is nice and easy, and that just supports the fold-out bench here. So the fold-out bench is a nice laminated area, so it's just a bit of extra worktop space here. You can see how we've done the hinge here. To basically keep the height of this bench down, we've sort of like dog-legged the hinge so that as you open it up, this bench drops down to here, so it makes it a more sort of usable height, which is really handy. Next to that, this is just a little windbreak. There's the area where your stove lives, so whatever stove you've got, we can make the space to suit. A really popular stove that we're using at the moment are the Metho 2-burner stoves. So the stoves run on methylated spirit. So the advantages of that are you don't need to carry a gas bottle, because a gas bottle is always one thing which is a bit tricky to carry. And also, as soon as you pull the kitchen out, the Metho stoves are ready to go, so you don't need to connect up the hose like you would do with a gas stove. So they're quick and they're easy, and they just work really well with the kitchens that we offer. So next to the stove, we normally have a couple of drawers. So the top drawer is normally a good drawer for cutlery. We normally divide it up just to help you keep things organized. There's another drawer down here, which is a good drawer for cups and plates and bits and pieces. And then on the end, we have a little storage cupboard. So the actual size of the kitchen does depend on what vehicle you've got, because some dual cabs are different sizes, and we build all of our units the size to suit every vehicle. So if you've got a longer dual cab, then the kitchen's a bit longer. We can make the unit a bit higher. If you've got like a high top canopy, then we might be able to afford a little bit more height here, which gives you more height in the kitchen. And yeah, it's just the beauty about how we build things here. We build everything to order and to suit what you've got, so we basically maximize the use of the space. So when you're finished with the kitchen, it slides away as easy as it come out. This little board here just slots in the front, and then with the bench here, the leg simply pulls off, the lid hinges over, and then the leg here just clips on the back. So it's all contained. There's little bungee cords on the lid and everything, just to keep everything nice and tight when you're driving around. And then you release the tab and it just slides away like that, and it's locked in immediately. So yeah, so like I say, the kitchen is the main feature I wanted to show of this unit, but yeah, we'll go through the rest of it as well. So nice big Drifta storage drawer here. All our drawers are fully carpet lined on the inside. They come with a divider if you wanted to separate the space up, so with your kitchen, you might have a few bigger pots and pans you want to store in the front here. So you can do that, and you can screw your divider in, and then at the back you can put all your other gear, whatever you've got in there. Slide out table. So the table can be used as like just slid out part way like this. So it's a bit of an add-on extension for your worktop area with your kitchen. So you can use it like that, or it also comes out and you've got the full set of legs under the base. As you can see, all the legs adjust individually as well. So if you're on a bit of uneven ground, you can, if your table rocks a bit, you can just adjust the one leg to get it nice and leveled and stable. There's a full laminated worktop on the table as well, which matches the kitchen, so it all looks nice and neat. Yep, and the table just slides away nice and easily like that. So the beauty about the table that we offer too is, if you've got the back of your vehicle loaded up with all your gear, often the first thing you want to get out is your table. Because when you're setting up your camp, it's just handy to have a table to put all your gear on as you're unloading it out of your truck. So that's the beauty about the table that we offer, is that it's just easy to get out. We have these lift-off covers over the wheel arches, so these are the side wings as we call them. So the side wings lift off and they open up to all the storage space you've got down the sides there. These grey brackets do slide out. Okay, so you know, if you want to put something long in there, you can pull the brackets out so you can get unobstructed access down the side. There's lots of other options too that you can add. We can blank off these ends here, which a lot of people do. We call these end panels the infills. So by blanking these ends off, it means that anything you put in the space by the side rings is, for one, it's like hidden, so it's out of sight and it looks nice and neat. And two, it stops it falling out the end. We have an aluminium edge strip which we can put along the edge here to protect this corner. And then there's also, we have a full range of fridge slides. We've got all the drop-down fridge slides, all the different brands and the different sizes. So you can have your drop-down fridge slide on top, or we've got like normal fridge slides as well. Yeah, there's probably heaps more. There's heaps more options too if you have a look on the website. So yeah, just wanted to sort of run you through this one today. So if you've got any questions at all, you can just email me. My email address is mark@drifta.com.au, and then we can work it out from there. So, all right, thanks for watching.